tondo korwa sewage line ino ni athondekirwe na korwa ina maintenance in case even the ucio mavere wira wa gukuamura angethire to the main office auge sewage ne ngwamu professionals marute wira wao no nundu wa thina financially young generation mwena thina ya mbia financially tutie na kindu riu no nginya risk you better die nigetha gwa gukuoneke mutu korwa uria turugamirite guku our ward no avatire ku make the line with its own maintenance tutingiona thina utona ni twata andu aire in our life na negua kieva na methori nie no amvo emwe muretie ite mundu akithurwo ate gukorora tuvambia turekira turare okina thio kenu you are there to cover your money maintain what you are doing
ringi ni gukora ati twaetana evenya kuti utethio tuona evenya nundu andu acio agakora evenya riu twetana ni ria ukwa andu acio matingia tutiga ni twekana ndagika nyingi muno andu acio magiuka kuokorewa.